Patients ask us, why do we have to get poked before our dental cleaning? Let me tell you why. The poking is not a poke, it is a measurement, and this is called as periodontal measurements of your gums. This is something that is important and required before you get a cleaning done. It is a small little thin probe that's placed in between your teeth and the gum to measure the space between your gum and your teeth. And those spaces between your gum and teeth are called as pockets. When you have healthy gums, the gums hug your teeth tightly so that when we try to measure, it barely goes in. So that is a healthy gum, and which we say, well done to our patients, and we get measurements of 1 to 2 and to 3s. 3s are fine too. Measurements tell us and you as a patient how healthy your gums are. And depending on the reading, we let you know whether it's going to be a simple cleaning or it'll go for a deeper periodontal cleaning. Now, once you have pockets, you can have, as I said, a normal gum level. You could have gingivitis or something called as a periodontal disease. That's when the measurements of your pocket goes beyond 5 millimeters, sometimes 4 as well, with bleeding. So a reading of 1 to 3 millimeters is normal. Reading from 4 millimeters beyond, that's when your gums are slightly inflamed and starting to pull away from your teeth. 5 to 6 millimeter and above is where your gum tissue is away from your tooth, your pocket depths are deep, and that's where you have something called as gum disease. If not treated, then it starts to affect the bone, and then you get bone loss as well. When we say you have deep pockets, that is when there's a lot of room between your tooth and the gum tissue for bacteria to sit in there and cause gum disease. Whereas when you brush your teeth, it does not go under that gum area where the pockets are and lets the bacteria grow, cause more problems. In those situations, of course, we highly recommend a deeper cleaning. Next question arises, why does it hurt and bleed when we poke in certain areas? When your gum is inflamed or irritated, it bleeds easily. So when you barely touch the gum, when we measure it, it starts to bleed. Now that's an early sign of a gum problem, and it's called gingivitis. It's irreversible. Once we clean it and you start brushing right and flossing every day, that will go away. And the next time you come and we do the measurements, no pain. Now, when we measure, if it goes halfway through, as I said, 1 to 3 millimeters is good. If it goes beyond that, in some instances, it goes way deeper, then definitely you need a deeper cleaning called a scaling root planning, and we usually talk to our patients about it. The next question that we always get is that how often are they supposed to get these measurements done? Or a lot of time they said, how often do we have to get poked? Let me tell you. The measurements are required to be done once a year. Now, in some situations where we are cleaning the teeth and suddenly our instrument falls in, we have to go back and measure the area to see if something's going on there or something has started in that area, and then we treat it. Otherwise, we do it once a year. If you are a periodontal patient, meaning you have your cleanings every 3 to 4 months, we alternate the measurements to see if you're responding to the treatment. So we as dentists and hygienists don't poke for no reason. We do those measurements for your benefit. It is done to make sure that your gums are healthy. If they're not healthy, we treat it and make them healthy. So we don't poke for no reason. So gum measurements are a crucial part of your dental cleaning. Don't skip that just because you hate it.